Tired of digging through endless Jira issues to find the ones you need? Filter by label in seconds and see only what matters. If your board is a cluttered mess of tickets and you just want the ones tagged with bug or urgent, this is for you. I'll show you exactly where to click. Open your project, go to Backlog, use the Filter menu, and select your label. It's that simple. So, let's start. First, open your Jira account. Just log in like you normally do. Nothing fancy here. Now, on the left side panel, you'll see a list of your projects. Go ahead and click on the project you want to work with. This is where all your issues live. Once you're inside your project, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a few tabs. There's Board, Roadmap, and what we need, Backlog. Click on Backlog. This shows you all the issues that haven't been done yet, along with anything else queued up. All right, here's where the magic starts. On the right side of the Backlog screen, there's a button that says Filter. Give that a click. A drop-down menu will pop up with a bunch of different options: assignee, priority, issue type, and so on. Scroll down that list until you see Labels. Click on Labels. Now, Jira will show you all the labels that are currently being used in this project. So if your team has been tagging issues with things like front-end, design, or urgent, they'll all appear here. Click on the label you want to filter by. For example, let's say you want to see only issues tagged with New. Just click New. And just like that, the entire backlog updates instantly. Now you're only seeing the issues or tasks that have that new label attached. No more scrolling through dozens of unrelated tickets. You can breathe again. Now, if you want to clear the filter and go back to seeing everything, just click the little X next to the filter tag. It's gone, and your full board is back. But there's a more powerful way to do this too. If you want to get a little advanced, you can use JQL. That's Jira Query Language. Right above the backlog, you'll see a search bar. Click into it, and you can type something like labels equals new. That gives you the exact same result, but now you can get creative. You can combine labels, exclude labels, or filter by multiple things at once. For example, labels equals new and priority equals high. Very handy. Once you've got a filter you love, you can save it as a favorite. Just click the Save As button next to the filter bar. Give it a name like New and Urgent, and next time you need it, it'll be right there in your saved filters. No typing required. So that's it. From a cluttered mess to a clean, focused view in just a few clicks. Now, go clean up your board. You've got this.